So we got both top and bottom ball joints broken loose. I have a bar in through the A-arm and through the spring, which says C10s don't have very much tension on them once they're all the way down, but it'll kind of hold it there. So here we go. Okay, so we got this side all cleaned up, all painted. Put it back together. We got our back brackets in. We drilled some holes in this top plate. Put our flat plate there. We have our airline going further back. Put the old shock back in. We'll get new ones. Still need to do the sway bar. We cut an inch off the end of it so it won't hit the bag. The brakes are in. This is a CPP modular spindle. It's got the little bracket on here, and now we got 5 lug, and we got disc brakes. So making progress. Yeah, so we move on to the next side. I'm not letting go. I'm telling you, I've been here for 50-something years. I ain't letting go. No more messing around. There's just the washers that were holding it. There's like stick washers on there, but yeah, it's pretty rusted. I did get it to break loose.